Welcome to the Hollow-Made Whole Code of Honor series, a quiet compass for those rebuilding, remembering, and returning to themselves. Gracious Discipline is part 4 of our 4-part series, each one a stepping stone on this gentle healing path. Now, breathe, and let us begin. Repeat with me. I will live gently, but not lazily. I will make my bed. I will tend to my space as an extension of my spirit. I will water what is mine to care for. I will offer cheerful greetings to strangers and silence when needed. I will tend to a plant even when I feel unworthy of tending. I will keep good company, within and without. I will dress for the dignity of my own spirit. I will celebrate myself with a small treat now and then. And when shaking hands, I will stand, meet your eyes, and offer something real. Let this be your ritual today, a vow to meet the mundane with reverence, to shape your life in small, sacred motions, to remember that devotion is found in quiet repetition. Gracious discipline is not about perfection, it is about presence. And when the world feels unsteady, return to this vow and begin again. You have now completed the Code of Honor, a ceremonial path of presence, self-trust, and sacred living. But this is not the end. This is the beginning of your quiet return. So walk gently, live kindly, and let your discipline be the gentlest thing about you.